Good morning guys, welcome back again to my channel Roland Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button for you to become updated anytime for our latest video. So today I'm going to show you the property for sale along this provincial road, and this is overlooking to the ocean. You have a sea view, you have a mountain view. So this property, this one is connected to the road. So this is the property. So this is a 1 hectare plus square meter, the lot area. So I'll show you the other side of this property. Oh, so this is the property guys. Look at that. As you can see, this is the terrain of this property. This one, it's like there's a portion of flat. So this side is a flat, but going there is a semi-slope. So this is the terrain guys, and here you have the mountain view. That is Dimiao mountain and also Valencia. And right here is a mountain view. So here is a buildable side. You can build your dream home, retirement home, vacation home. So this is good for mountain resort or residential overlooking to the ocean. And this is the Lumboy ni boss, no? Lumboy. Okay, so kana siya, boundary na siya. So asa ni paingon ni nga kuan? Porma sa yuta. So gikan diha. Okay. Padung na diha sa ubos. Oh, nya kini apil ni. Apil ning puntod. Nindot kay dire mag-build og balay guys, oh. Naaka sa ibabaw gid kaayo ba. Ini. So dire nga side na pud say pariner na. Nasa diha. Makita ninyo. Nasa driveway, nasa balay, nasa lipdan lang sa kahoy ang iyang balay. Medyo ubos gamay ang iyang location, but this one is overlooking naka sa pinaka highest peak sa mountain. So this is appeal ni siya kini. So kung naa ka dire, overlooking gyud kayo, kita ni mo mountain nya along the barangay, along the provincial road nya mao ni mohang view perti kanindot. So situated ni siya diri sa Dimiao, Bohol. Mo ni siya guys. So nangita ka og kanang, if you are looking away from the neighbor, distance from the neighbor, so this is the good one. You can consider this one. So very nice. You have the small hills. So kung naa ka ni mag-build, overlooking kayo. Tora ang ocean, kita ni mo ocean. At the same time, facing ni siya sa Camiguin. If the weather is nice, but today is like there is a moderate cloudy, so that's why the mountain of Camiguin it's only fade. But during the clear weather, so you can clearly see the mountain of Camiguin. And this one is a mountain of Valencia and also Garcia Hernandez. So very nice. And right there is also the ocean, and also there you have the mountain view also of part of Dimiao mountain. So this is away from the neighbor, distance from the neighbor. If you are looking a quiet and peaceful away from the neighborhood. So you can consider this one. So the property terrain, there is a portion of plot, and here is a buildable, and that one is a semi-slope, and also that is a buildable. You can build there, and also you can farm. And also if you like to magbuhi ka og mga kuan, livestock like mga chickens, mga piggery, mga baka, ha? Oo. So naa lang sa mga kuan, pero nice ni siya nga lumboy guys. Lami ni siya once mamunga ni. Daghang lumboy no? Oo. Pwede ka na dire rest house, vacation house, residential house. Pwede ka dire mag farming. Pwede ka diri mamuhi og livestock. So ini root crops pod, pwede ka diri magtanom. So mao ni siya ang baligya nga property nga mga 1 hectare ni siya guys. Daplin ra siya og kanang cemented nga provincial road. So accessible ra siya kayo. So mao ni siya ang iyahang kuan, property nga for sale. So padong ni siya dito sa ubos. Mo ni siya nga property. So importante, daplin ra siya og kalsada. Unya nice kayo ang view. So ato lang i-check ang documents ani. Kay title property man ni siya. Okay. So if ever if you are interested about this property, you can message me directly via my email and also my WhatsApp. And also if you want to know more about this property guys, you can find below this video at the description section. You can find the full details and also about the price of this property. So about the price is very reasonable. So here, from here, you have only one neighbor. That guy, it's a foreigner. So very nice property. That is a literal ocean view. And you have the mountain view over there. So you are at the highest peak of the mountain. You have the unlimited view, the ocean view, and the mountain view. Look at that. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. I'll show you also the aerial view. So see you next video. Hi guys, upon checking the distance from here going to the highway, it's only 10 minutes. Yan, 10 minutes 10 minutes drive from here going to the highway. And also if you're going to the public market, let's wait. Public market, going to the public market guys, it's only 12 minutes. So going to highway is 10 minutes. Going to the public market, to the church, to the schools, to the hospital, that is only 12 minutes guys, 12 minutes. And also if you're going to Tagbilaran City, wait for a while. Tagbilaran City, going to Island City Mall. This is live guys. About the distance is only 1 hour more or less. It's a 1 hour drive from here going to the Tagbilaran City, Island City Mall. And also if you're going to Panglao Airport and also White Sand Beach in Panglao, let's say that is only 1 hour and 9 minutes from here, the location, the site, going to the White Sand Beaches in Panglao and also the Panglao Airport. That is only 1 hour and 9 minutes. 1 hour and 9 minutes guys, distance from here. So if you are interested about this property, look at that view. You have a nice view. You have a mountain view. Look at that mountain view. And also you have the sea view. So right there is a sea view, and right there, so you have a unlimited view. So this property is perfect. Perfect for rest house, perfect for the residential home, perfect for farming, perfect also if you like to magbuhi og mga livestocks or magtanom ka og mga root crops. So perfect for farming, and also quiet and peaceful. So vacation house also, you can build here your own design, and you have the nice ambience, fresh air. What a beautiful, wow, it's amazing view guys. Okay, so again, if you are interested, just message me. I am very happy to assist you guys. My name is Rolando Yanguren from Bachelors Realty. I am your trusted property specialist. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.